Have you ever felt stuck in a situation where no matter how hard you try, you just can't seem to see things differently? What if I told you there's a secret method that can completely shift your perspective and transform the way you approach life's challenges? Whether you're facing personal setbacks or professional roadblocks, this method has the potential to unlock new ways of thinking and change your life for the better. In today's video, I'm going to share this powerful technique that has helped countless people break through their mental blocks and see the world with fresh eyes. And make sure you stick around until the end, because I'll be revealing a bonus tip that will take this method to the next level, helping you create lasting change in your life. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Our perspective shapes our reality. The way we see things influences our emotions, decisions, and even the opportunities that come our way. Often, when we face challenges, we get stuck in a narrow viewpoint, focusing on the problem rather than the potential solutions. This is why a shift in perspective can be life-changing. When you learn to change how you look at a situation, you open yourself up to new possibilities, and what once seemed like an obstacle can become an opportunity. Now that we understand the importance of perspective, let's explore how we can actively shift our viewpoint to open ourselves up to new opportunities. Imagine going through a difficult time at work, feeling like no one appreciates your efforts. From this perspective, it's easy to feel discouraged and undervalued. However, by shifting your viewpoint, you could choose to see this as an opportunity to reflect on your strengths and explore new ways to showcase your value. This new perspective opens doors to finding innovative solutions, improving your situation, or even growing into a leadership role that previously seemed out of reach. This demonstrates that your perspective is not fixed. It's something you can shift, like adjusting the lens of a camera, allowing you to focus on new details and possibilities you may not have seen before. You can always choose to see things differently, and when you do, your emotional response and actions shift as well. So how do you start changing your perspective when you feel stuck? Let's move on to the secret method that can help you make this shift. The secret method I'm talking about is called reframing. Reframing is a powerful mental technique that involves changing the way you interpret a situation. Instead of seeing something as negative or limiting, you consciously choose to see it from a more positive or empowering perspective. This doesn't mean ignoring reality or pretending problems don't exist. It means choosing to see the potential for growth and opportunity in every challenge. Now, you might be wondering, how does reframing actually work in practice? Let's break it down with an example. Let's say you face a financial setback. You might initially feel stressed, anxious, and worried about how you'll manage. However, by reframing the situation, you could view it as a chance to reassess your spending habits, learn better financial management, or even start a side hustle that ultimately brings you more income than before. This shift from feeling like a victim of circumstances to seeing yourself as someone empowered to learn and grow from the experience can drastically change how you handle the situation. When you reframe, you break free from the automatic, negative thought patterns that keep you stuck. You begin to see situations from a fresh angle, allowing you to approach them with a new sense of possibility. This shift in perspective can reduce stress, increase resilience, and help you navigate life with greater ease. Let's take a deeper look at how reframing works in real-life situations to help you apply this method effectively. Imagine you're working toward a personal goal. Let's say you've been trying to start a new business. You've put in the hours, worked on your business plan, but then you hit a major roadblock. Maybe a key investor pulls out, or your product launch doesn't go as planned. At this point, it would be easy to feel like a failure and give up. But with reframing, instead of seeing this as a dead end, you can choose to see it as valuable feedback. You might think, what can I learn from this? How can I adjust my strategy to come back stronger? Notice how this small shift in perspective changes everything. It empowers you to move forward instead of feeling stuck. By reframing the setback, you shift from feeling powerless to feeling empowered. You recognize that this is not a failure, but an opportunity to grow and refine your approach. Maybe the investor wasn't the right fit for your business, or the feedback from the product launch helps you make critical improvements. In either case, reframing transforms a seemingly negative situation into one full of potential and learning opportunities. This mental shift is crucial because it helps you move from a fixed, limiting mindset to one of growth and opportunity. When you start applying reframing to various aspects of your life, whether it's work, relationships, or personal development, you'll notice how it allows you to approach challenges with confidence and creativity. Now that we understand how reframing works, let's talk about why this technique is so effective in creating lasting change. Well, it taps into the brain's natural ability to rewire itself, a concept known as neuroplasticity. Our brains are constantly creating and reinforcing thought patterns. If you've been thinking about certain situations in the same way for years, those neural pathways become well-worn and automatic. This is why negative thinking can feel so habitual. It's literally ingrained in your brain. But here's the exciting part. Your brain is capable of creating new pathways, and reframing helps you do just that. When you practice reframing, you're training your brain to think in new, more empowering ways. Over time, as you repeatedly choose to reframe situations in a positive light, those new neural connections become stronger, and it becomes easier to default to this new way of thinking. For example, if you've always viewed rejection as a failure, each time you reframe it as an opportunity for growth or redirection, you reinforce the idea that rejection isn't something to fear, but to embrace as a learning experience. Eventually, you'll start to see setbacks not as reasons to give up, but as chances to refine your approach and improve. In addition to rewiring your brain, reframing also changes your emotional response to situations. A negative perspective often triggers stress, frustration, or even anxiety. But when you reframe the situation and look for the positive, it reduces those negative emotions and replaces them with feelings of hope, motivation, and possibility. This shift in emotions leads to better decision-making, clearer thinking, and a more positive outlook on life. Reframing is powerful on its own, but when combined with another key practice, gratitude, it becomes even more effective. Gratitude is one of the most effective ways to solidify the positive perspectives you create through reframing. When you practice gratitude, you focus on what's going right in your life, reinforcing the positive outlook that reframing provides. It helps you shift your focus from what you lack or what's going wrong to what you already have and the blessings in your life. Let's explore how practicing gratitude can transform your mindset and strengthen your ability to reframe challenges. For example, if you've experienced a setback at work, instead of fixating on what didn't go your way, practicing gratitude allows you to appreciate the lessons you've learned, the support you've received, or even the opportunity to try again. Gratitude helps shift your mindset from frustration to appreciation, making it easier to maintain a positive perspective even during challenging times. This daily practice of gratitude not only rewires your brain to focus on the positive, but also elevates your vibration, helping you attract more opportunities, success, and joy into your life. The more you acknowledge the good in your life, the more you invite positive experiences. Now that you've learned how reframing and gratitude work together, let's move on to the bonus tip that can further enhance your ability to create lasting change. As promised, here's a bonus tip to supercharge your ability to reframe situations: journaling. Journaling is an incredibly effective way to process your thoughts, reflect on your experiences, and reinforce the positive shifts you're making. When you write down your thoughts, it helps you gain clarity, organize your ideas, and explore new perspectives in a deeper way. Here's how you can use journaling to help you apply reframing and gratitude in your daily life. To use journaling as a tool for reframing, start by writing about a situation that's been challenging for you. Then actively reframe it by asking yourself questions like, what can I learn from this? Or how can I see this situation from a new angle? Follow this up by listing a few things you're grateful for in connection with this experience. This simple practice not only helps you shift your perspective in the moment, but also strengthens those new neural pathways over time. By combining journaling with reframing and gratitude, you create a powerful, lasting change in how you view and respond to life's challenges. In conclusion, the secret method of reframing can completely change your perspective and help you see life's challenges in a new light. When you practice reframing, you open yourself up to new possibilities, reduce negative emotions, and empower yourself to overcome obstacles with greater ease. And when you combine reframing with gratitude and journaling, you supercharge your ability to create lasting positive changes in your life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And as promised, start using journaling to reinforce your new perspectives. It's a powerful tool that can help you maintain clarity and stay focused on the positive. Share in the comments how you plan to use this secret method to change your perspective, and let's support each other on this journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.